I love a nice lady today then. Sweetie? What, sweetheart? Well, what? Oh, what's new about it? Just, well, you know. Oh, I know. 1, 2, I know. It's such a adorable girl. Oh, shut it there, sweetie. Hey, sis. Hello, sis. Oh. Oh. Starlight? Stacy? What are you two doing here? Just coming to put something then. Oh, maybe I don't know what you're doing then. Just only put something. Can you two, go off a bit then? That, maybe, cause I like to hurt the inside, sweetie. You sure? Try then. Okay. If you don't even say that, sis, we go out then. Oh, nothing. You just come here, want to sleep if you want to then. You sure about it then? Indeed. Thanks, sis. So, what do you want to do then? I don't know then. Maybe, well, I don't know then. You, sweetie? No idea. Perhaps, cheering then? But this is all you was doing now, right? Starlight, Stacy? Oh, no idea then. Me either. Do you think nothing, sis? Well, did have, but no, this was okay then. What is it then? We're different if you want then. It said kissing each other's then. What? Kissing? Sweetie, you don't mean we are just kissing each other's then? I guess. Well, this is a little bit hard to say, but we do that. Ready, sweetie? Sure, if you want to. Lovely then? Lovely. Well, we're used to kissing then. Well, we kiss just the same. See? Lovely. Are those two cute for Michael's gift then? Yeah, because I know we actually here already had now. I did have this scene about the whole time. But still, it's lovely too. We also seen you give us that one too. Like best sisters then? We are sisters, true, but now we already married. Of course, it's girlfriends now. Like do everything for you want. You want to continue for everything you want to then? Sure, we would love to. Indeed. They are lovely then. Sweet? Not again. Of course it's not again. I love you a lot, sis. Me too. Shall we continue on this, sis? Of course, that's all right, Stacy. Always go on to very well then. Yep, indeed.